बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वहदह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन ला नबिय्य बअदा अम्मा बाद। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वहदह वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला मन ला नबिय्य बअदा। Dear participants, brothers and sisters, and respected Bashir Juma Sahab, I welcome all of you to this third session of our third international virtual Dawah training program. We start the program with the recitation from the Holy Quran. I would like to request one of our participants from Afghanistan, Brother Inayatullah Adil. Please, Brother Inayatullah, unmute yourself and recite few verses from the Holy Quran. Brother Inayatullah Adil.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Did you hear me?
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, please. Go ahead.
Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إنما المؤمنون إخوة فأصلحوا بين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا يسخر قوم من قوم عسى أن يكونوا خيرا منهم ولا نساء من نساء عسى أن يكن خيرا منهن ولا تلمزوا أنفسكم ولا تنابزوا بالألقاب بئس الاسم الفسوق بعد الإيمان ومن لم يتب فأولئك هم الظالمون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اجتنبوا كثيرا من الظن إن بعض الظن إثم ولا تجسسوا ولا يغتب بعضكم بعضا أيحب أحدكم أن يأكل لحم أخيه ميتا فكرهتموه واتقوا الله إن الله تواب رحيم. يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير. صدق الله العظيم.
صدق Allah al-Azim. Jazakumullah khair, Brother Inayatullah Adil from Afghanistan. I welcome Bashir Juma Sahab. He is already here and we are waiting for his third presentation. So I request him to please take the floor and start his presentation. Ye Bashir Sahab.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. All the participants are muted and there is no chat option, so there will be no communication. I can speak.
Alhamdulillah Ali Zati Azim Sifati Sami Simati Kabir Shan Jalil Qadri Rafi Zikri Mutail Amri Jalil Burhan Fakhim Ismi Ghazir Ilmi Wasil Ilmi Kasir Al-Ghufran Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Maulana Muhammadin bi adadi man salla wa sam Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Maulana Muhammadin bi adadi man qada wa qam. Dear participants, today we are going to discuss 3 topics. Number 1, time wasters. Number 2, dealing with the time wasters. And number 3, which was the 7th program, but we are going to merge with the 3rd program. It is all about procrastination. Accordingly, we will change the schedule for the next week and remaining weeks. Inshallah, we will let you know soon. We have discussed in the first program about the importance of time, and in second program about the lanes of the life and wheels of the life and time management grid, TMG. Now, based on those understanding, we are going to discuss the matter of time wasters. We have to deal with these wasters as a businessman. If you take over a business, you try to understand the sales cost and profitability of each product, and then you decide which to continue and which to abandon. Accordingly, when you change your house or renovate your house, you decide to eliminate certain items and to keep certain items and to bring certain new items. Based on this analogy, we will try to discuss the wastage of our time and related mitigation for that and procrastination. Here the source is written. There are few of my books, material available on internet, social media, and the pictures from the local media. Our major time wasters. This is the bucket, and I want to fill this bucket with water. How much time will it take to fill in? I want to fill this bucket. Is it possible for me to fill in one day? I think not. This is the matter of our time wasters. Now we can make the groupings of our time wasters. Internal, like our habits, our competency, our procrastination, our complacency. External, like procedures, office-related matters, society or government-related matters. Controllable or uncontrollable. Psychological, physical or layout-related or environmental-related. Domestic or family-related. Organization-related, like where we work, commercial organization, or we work for the Dawa organization or NGOs. Another grouping, national or cultural, infrastructure, social and political, or we can define them as the worst practices. There are 5 terms we are going to explain today, and 2 terms you will find from the dictionary. Number 1 is trap. Any device, trick, or the like for catching a person unawares. We are trapped when we explain address to other person. Now Google Maps are available. We can go to the destination, but if these are not available, then we have to explain the other person. Maybe we are facing each other and you are right, maybe the left of the other person. The second word or term is to consume, spend, or employ uselessly or without adequate return, used to no avail or profit. We waste like in our bathroom, the flush is leaking and the water is wastage. Spill, to cause or allow to run or fall from a container, especially accidentally or wastefully. The fourth term is steal, to take the property of another other without permission or right, especially secretly or by force. The robbery, according to law, the taking of the property of another from his or her person or in his or her immediate presence against his or her will by violence or intimidation. Now, when we are discussing the time wasters, we have to identify whether it is trap, waster, steal, or robbery. There are certain examples of time wasters which we are discussing today. A long list, around more than 50 items have been provided to you in the initial handout. Let's discuss today what are our time wasters. Chatting or texting. Nowadays, we are driving and we are started chatting, and we are taking meal, we have started chatting or texting. This is the greatest time waster of this period in which we are living. Unexpected visitors. Yes, there are certain unexpected visitors, but for Dawa workers, we have to deal with them differently because they may be part of our Dawa. But otherwise, unexpected visitors are our time wasters. Doing tasks that others are capable of doing. If you are boss, another person can do it. But if you are doing that thing, then you are wasting your time and you are not taking the advantage of resources available to you. Doing nothing while standing in line. For Muslims, the best thing is zikrullah, or we can clean our mobile, we can clean our extra files, we can read the book. Doing nothing while riding or public transportation as a passenger in a car. If we are not driving, we have the opportunity to read the books or other things or learn something. Not planning for meals. If we are housewife, we need to do the proper planning for our meals for a week. Not making list for grocery. When you go for grocery or shopping, you don't make a list. Make a list, quantity, and make a list in accordance with the setting of that shopping mall or a grocery store. Going to routinely scheduled meetings. There are certain meetings which are not fruitful, but you have to attend them. Checking email when the alert prompts that you have a message and you just jump into the message and try to read that message, whether it is email or it is a message. Frequently, social networking sites, frequent visits, Facebook, Twitter, and other things. How many times and how many hours, how many times we go to those websites and how many hours we spend on those things. Surfing the internet for hours, downloading and archiving. When we want to search anything, we go into the ocean of the information and we feel ourselves drowned, and it is very difficult for us to take out ourselves from that ocean. Social media addiction. Is it necessary to respond every post? There are certain people who feel their responsibility that they have to respond to each and every post. Watching TV, watch TikTok and YouTube according to their appearances to your account. They go through the algorithmic and they see your trend and your favorite things and they provide those things and you just jump into them. Not designating a place for things, and if designated, not putting the things at their place. There should be a place for everything and everything in its place, but we are not doing it. Hitting the snooze button on the alarm clock to get up at last moment possible. We put the snooze button, okay, give me 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, so and so. Shuffling toys, food, work, and other items and not keeping them on their respective places. Not planning our day, running errands without thinking about optimizing our trip or time. There are 3 categories of the generation: giants, ladies, and kids and students. We will be discussing, and we will be confining ourselves on the internal, external, entity, and national level time wasters. Please try to understand the impact of time wastage on our life. If we are wasting our time, then in our life, we will be rushing for many things and we will be taking chronic decision or indecisions. Fatigue and tiredness will be there. We will always feel that we are not getting anything done. And we will be having a sense of having undesirable things. We are doing things which are not desirable in our life. I will suggest you that you make a list of time wasters. It may be 30 or 40, and you select only 10 for this program, not today, but after this program, and you categorize them. And I am showing you many categories, but do it according to your level of understanding. Internal time wasters, which includes habits, lack of competence, procrastination, and complacencies. External time wasters are environment, job or business, procedures, and protocols. For internal time wasters, today we will be discussing personality related time wasters, planning related, self-management related, technology related, and for external, control over work, family and home, social and national and political. You may disagree this category. You can make your own category. Now, personality related time wasters. Number 1 is fear of failure. We feel that if we do this work, we may not continue and we may fail. And people will say, I have failed. Please avoid this thing. Your low self-esteem will not encourage you to do the good work. To increase your self-esteem. Your fear of wrong decision is a time waster, and due to this habit, you don't take your decision. You always feel that there is plenty of time, the age is remaining there, and we will do it on next day. The next day will never come. Please consider today is the last day of my life, and in last day of life, what are important things you need to do them. You dream without actions. This is one of the time wasters. An ability to say no or excuse. There are certain work and things which do not match with our goals, our aim of life, our purpose of life. But due to certain pressure, we say yes to them and then we waste our time. And this time wastage is because these do not match with our objective of life. We have self-doubt and worries about ourselves. We have habit of becoming angry on anything, everything, every time, anytime. And this is one of the greatest problem, because you shoot up yourself, you become angry for a while, but you repent for hours for this thing. So you need to control your anger. Out of balance with your desire and belief system. This is another time waster, because you do not keep balance with these things. Now, number 2, planning and organizing related time wasters. Confusion about our goals and direction. In the first program, we had seen the picture of a person who was riding a cycle, but he did not know his direction. He was overburdened. He did not have any control. The similar picture, bring in your mind and see what is our picture. So we must not be confused about our goals and direction. Lack of written goals. Normally, we keep our goals here, not in the notebook. If we don't notebook, we have smartphones. Today, all of you are having smartphones or laptop with you. So please use these devices and facilities. Lack of planning for meeting those goals. This is another time wasters. You have set the goals, but you have not set the target date. You have not set how you are going to deal with them, how you are going to achieve them. Snap and abrupt decision. You take decision abruptly. You don't see the end of this decision. Attempting too much. You attempt too much at the same time. In certain occasion, you do multitasking. In certain occasion, multitasking is allowable, but not attempting too much and doing too much multitasking. Lack of daily priority and to-do list. We don't prepare daily list for our work. We don't alphabetize them ABC. We don't them give the numbers of the steps we will be taking them. Failure to break priorities into small and manageable tasks. If we have a big cake with us, we don't try to bite at once. We make pieces of that cake and then we bite each piece separately. Similarly, we should be making small pieces of our task and do it one by one. Shifting priorities. If we are shifting our priorities, A to B, A to C, C to A, D to B, this will create a problem and you will not be reaching to your goals. Poor system of crisis management. For personal life, for organization life, for Dawa life, and for civic society life. If we don't have the crisis management system, if we don't have a system to face the problems of the rains or storms, then we will be bearing a great loss. Lack of data check program to see the progress. We make the programs, we make the dreams, we make the date, dreams become goals, but we don't check our progress on daily basis or weekly basis. This is very much important to check our progress. Poor work habits. We have work habits, but they are poor. We have to improve them and we have to focus them. And in next programs, we will discuss work habits improvement matters. Low understanding reading and writing skills. Understanding skills, reading skills, and writing skills. If we are Dawa workers, we have to improve these skills. Spending time on non-core tasks, it is another time waster. If something is not important, but you enjoy doing them, then we are wasting our time. Non-capturing ideas. Ideas come to our mind. Please note it down. Keep a pen with you, card with you, or use your mobile phone and capture those points. Looking for misplaced things. If we are not organized at our home or at our home and office, and we don't keep our things on the designated places, then it will be very difficult for us to find them in emergency. And at that time, we will be wasting our time and we will be wasting our energy, and we would be becoming angry with ourselves and others, and after that repenting on ourselves. Mobile phone and selfie phobia or related addiction. Wherever we go, we capture the picture. Whether we are at Ramia Jamar in Hajj, we take the picture. Now this habit is wasting our time. Grooming time and beauty parlor. In first program, we have seen where do we spend our time, and the barber shop and the beauty parlor matter were discussed over there. Cluttered desk and environment. Our desk is full of many items and it distracts our focus or attention, and we are not able to work with full attention. Poor use of waiting time at doctor's clinic, at barber shop, or at any other place. When we have to wait, we need to develop the skills of using that waiting times. And if we are not using that waiting time in our advantage, we are wasting our time. We make our time estimates, but those are unrealistic. Therefore, in certain occasions, we have overblocked, or in certain occasions, we have underblocked our time to meet those targets. Number C, lack of self-management. Lack of directions and controls. Please remember that picture of vehicle. That was important. The cycle. The person was riding a cycle, but he did not have any direction. He was overburdened and he did not have control on that cycle. Biting more than what we can chew. If we are not capable or able or don't have the capacity to do the same work, and we try to take that responsibility, it is difficult. But if responsibility is given to us as a Da'i or Dawa worker, then we should accept it and expect and hope the aid and i'anat from Almighty Allah. Lack of delegation. If we are supervisor or in charge, we need to train our team and we need to take work from our team through the process of delegation. Procrastination, we will discuss it separately. Perfection, yes, these are two problems, P1 and P2. P1 is procrastination. This is the habit which do not allow you to start any work. Perfection is a habit or problem which does not allow you to finish any work. Number 3, failure to listen and take notes. If you are watching this program, but you are sleeping on a pillow and you are just listening this thing, you could improve yourself by taking notes of this program. Haste or impatience, you are hasty, you are impatient, and in certain occasion, you waste your time. Sleeping more than average, especially we people who offer the Fajr prayers and after that we sleep for 1 or 2 hours as a bonus or extra sleep. I think we need to change that habit. Touching items too many times, like letters, like mobile phone, like pen, like books. We touch many times. We read 2 lines and then abandon, then 2 lines from other books and then abandon. This is the problem. Leaving jobs, work, and tasks unfinished. If you start any work or any job and you do not complete that thing, then you are wasting your time. Inability to say no or excuse mismatching or unmatching work. Multitasking, doing many diversified things at the same time, not doing smart and objective efforts. There are certain way to do those things and you can manage accordingly. Technology related time wasters, not keeping pace with the technology and not able to use devices. Television and enormous channels and talk show. For watching one news, you go to various channels. If you are not a journalist or you are not a talk show or anchor person, you don't need to go on every channel. Number 3, social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and other application. You don't know how to use them and how to take the benefit of them. Internet games and virtual competition. Sports and global events with commercial objectives. We become the member of various groups, virtual groups, WhatsApp group, Telegram groups, and in other occasion, we subscribe to them, we pay fees to them, and we don't take the advantage. Less knowledge about technology and always depending on staff. Duplicate efforts. First, we write on the notebook and then we type it. When you have the device, do directly on the device. Learn how to make the notes, how to use the Word document, how to use the Excel sheet and other things. Now coming on the external time wasters. The demands of modern and technology-based office, we are not able to meet those technology requirements. Telephone, mobile interruption during office hours. Drop in and unexpected visitors. I have discussed the exception for the Dawa workers. Paperwork, red tape, too many memos. Meetings and meeting phobia. There are certain organizations where 3 or 4 meetings are conducted daily, and we waste our time on those meetings, and we just attend like a TV show. Confuse responsibility or authority. Over control by bosses or micromanagement. Incompetent staff or mismatched team. Incomplete and unclear information. Look busy, do nothing. In various organizations, we have seen LBD and people look busy and do nothing. And there are certain people who enjoy over traveling, but they don't understand how much time they are wasting. Conspiracies and office politics is a time wasters, killing talents, having to explain thinking to the bosses or supervisor, fighting or brawling in office, transport system from and to office, but due to the COVID-19, it has resolved certain issues. Now, family-related time wasters. Don't having work-life balance, misconception and misunderstanding among members of the family and businessmen, inheritance issue, or unresolved issue, misunderstanding about ourselves and others, unwritten partnership and agreement, disagreement and mismatch of values, status and power sharing, antagonizing the partner, absence of shopping and meal plans. Now social, just consuming our time, misutilization of resources, not helping each other, over socializing, expectation from people and organization more than what can deliver, too many gatherings, and late start of our functions like marriage functions, non-productive work, negative attitude, hypocrisy, making empty or unrealistic promises, talking about celebrities and media personalities. And in our country, we see when there are cricket matches, the 50% or more time is spent during office hours on discussion on these matters. Now, national and political time wasters. Who is authorized and who is responsible? The government employees just use their authority, but they don't feel their responsibility. VVIP movement in our culture, lack of coordination in public work, too many public holidays, power breakdown, political instability, corruption and inflation, emotional attitude. Now see a few pictures about this. In our countries, the people and politicians change political parties very often. In our countries, yesterday a man is a different position. Today, he is being investigated for his corruption. Now, who controls the power? Who is controlling the vehicle? Who is controlling the organization? See these two pictures which were published in our local newspapers. This is our system, corruption. Now people are standing in line, but the person who gives money, he gets his work done very quickly. This is our emotional attitude. We react very quickly. And on the right side, we try to clean the mirror, not our face. We spend our time day and night and encircling our activities. We attempt too much. Our expectation level is like this. We sow one seed and we expect many fruits. And this is the picture which we had discussed during our program. I think this shows and this depicts ourselves. And many of us are doing the work like this. I understand we cannot reach to the destination. This is matter of our national organizations, and we cannot achieve the goals. Okay. How to avoid wasting time? Okay, the first solution is use SMB. SMB is self-management book which we had discussed during last session. Now the basic question to deal with time wasters are: Importantly, first 4, then 2. The first question is what? What is the problem? What is the time waster? Number 2, why this is problem arising to me? How is it arising to me? When and how many times? Where and who? These last 2 questions are not necessary, but the first 3 questions are important. The time waster control system is you list your time wasters, you note down your causes. There may be 5 causes, not more than that. A, B, C, D, E. Remedies, this may be 5, not more than this. An action plan. The first action plan is your determination that I am going to deal with these time wasters. How to avoid wasting time? Okay, please use that SMB, self-management book, or your notes in your mobile phone, or anything where you can document it, electronic documentation or physical documentation. Record and identify time wasters. Gather the facts. Analyze the situation. Realize and recognize that time is being wasted. You have to understand it and you have to realize it and you have to recognize it that you are wasting your time. Categorize and group the time wasters. You have to identify those time wasters. If there are a lot of things available to you, you have to set those things separately, okay, which item falls in which category. Meet with yourself and give plenty of time to yourself. You have to give time to yourself and realize, recognize, and relax. 3 hours. You have to realize it that you are wasting your time. You recognize it that I am wasting your time, and then relax and take the action what we are going to do it. Understand what is needed and what must be done. After making this list, you have to understand that what is needed and what must be done. Based on analysis, make decisions. I want to avoid this. I want to correct this. I want to change this. I want to improve this. Make the action plan and implement it. You can make the action plan immediately after this program. But if you are victim of procrastination, you will not be able to implement that program. Therefore, procrastination management is also important. Do it right the first time. Do things in the right way. Change the attitude. It is very necessary to change our attitude about the time management. Eliminate the habits causing time wasting. Those habits who are causing your time wasters, you have to change them. Improve and adopt new habits. We will be discussing in our last 3 programs, inshallah. Make a timetable. Use block time scheduling. Make a timetable of 2 hours. Suppose you wake up at 5 o'clock, 5 to 6 maybe 1 hour, but 6 to 8 will be 1 block, 8 to 10 second block, 10 to 12 third block, and then 12 to 1 or 12 to 2 will be 4th block, and so on. And you put your significant to-do items on those blocks, and you can mention A, B, C, D blocks. This is important. Check your prime time. and energy level. We will be discussing prime time separately and energy level. Schedule your day. Make to-do list regularly. Break work or task into manageable bits. Use idle time to your advantage. During the day, we get many breaks of the idle times. We can use them for our advantage. Prioritize based on importance and need. What is needed and what is importance, and prioritize your work and task. Plan to work and work your plan. This is a habit. Usage of technology and devices after learning. If somebody gives you a good new telephone, mobile phone, you open it, you put the SIM in it, and you start doing it. But you don't watch how to use that thing. So please try to learn that thing, like you are trying to learn during this session. Leave two P's: procrastination and perfection. Tie up loose ends, close the holes, because to fill that bucket for water, either you have to put the plastic bags into it, or you have to wrap it with the taps, or you have to change infrastructure, or you have to change the bucket. Okay, these were the about the time wasters. Now this is 10:51. Should we go for the third item, procrastination, or we can put it the next time? Mr. Hassan,
We still have 40 minutes, 39 minutes. So I have no idea how much time.
no, it will take 15 minutes only.
Yeah. So we will have 20-25 minutes for question answer.
I can finish it within 15 minutes, inshallah.
Okay. Yeah. Let's
Should
do
I?
that. Yes, we continue.
Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Now, procrastination is the behavior of postponing, delaying, deferring the things or tasks which are important in your life. I have read the articles in the World Executive Digest in 1980s, and I have seen that thing, and I have written in my files, and I am using that articles today and give credit to the source. What distinguishes comfortable procrastination from problematic procrastination is how troublesome your delaying is to you, and what is the loss is going to be sustained by you due to the adopting that comfortable procrastination or disturbing procrastination. Today, I will do absolutely nothing. This is our attitude. See on the picture on right slide, the person is taking sleep while something is growing in his house, and he put his head on the table while it has further grown. And the end of the day, when it has become the tree, he starts cutting it from his axe. This is the problem with the procrastination and procrastination people. Now let's go to the consequences of procrastination, in external consequences. Number one is monetary loss, loss of friendship, conflict with boss, conflict with co-workers, lower credit rating in the Western countries, tension with other friends or family members, job loss, marital separation or divorce, government penalties, tax fines, arrest warrants or parking tickets, cancellation of membership of a group, committee or a club, accidents or physical injury may happen, self-criticism and depreciation or guilt, embarrassment, anxiety, lack of concentration, inability to enjoy other activities, and guilt. These are 6 items relating to consequences of procrastination, but internal. Self-criticism and deprecation, embarrassment, anxiety, lack of concentration, inability to enjoy, and guilt. Sense of fraudulence, tension, panic, depression, sense of excitement or thrill, physical exhaustion, and physical illness. These are the internal consequences if we procrastinate. Now, what are our areas of procrastination? Number one is household, minor home projects or repairs, calling repairman, returning defective or unwanted merchandise, large home or yard projects, car maintenance and repairs, paying household bills, grocery shopping, running errands for spouse or children, work-related areas of procrastination are being not on time for work, being not on time for meetings, making business calls. We delay, okay, that person may be sleeping now, I will do it after 1 hour. Work-related matters, making decision, we take time, we procrastinate in taking decision. Doing paperwork or electronic work or remote work, writing reports, confronting someone about a problem, complimenting someone, saying congratulations to someone, we delay this thing. Or some friend or relative is ill and hospitalized and we do not visit them. And last time one person said that there is a burial and we have to attend that. Implementing creative ideas. If creative ideas come, we don't implement them. In certain occasion, we forget to bill the clients. And if we don't forget, we delay the billing the clients. Asking for a salary raise or promotion. Arranging a meeting with boss. Getting physical exercise. Losing weight. Stopping smoking or use of any addiction. These are personal care related. 3. Getting physical exercise, losing weight, stopping smoking, making medical or dental appointments, personal hygiene, bathing or grooming, getting a haircut, reading for personal interest, pursuing hobbies or personal projects, taking courses for personal interest and personal improvement. Now, areas of procrastination in social relationship: calling friends, greetings, personal correspondence or communication, nowadays WhatsApp, Telegram, inviting people to your home, visiting relatives, calling or writing relatives, expressing appreciation, giving gifts or sending cards, being on time for social events, asking for help or support, telling someone you are angry or upset. It is very difficult. Ending an unsatisfying relationship, filing income tax forms by required date, organizing receipts and tax records, budgeting your money, making financial investment, calling the bank about a problem. These are the problems relating to our finances. Paying credit card bills, paying back institution loans, paying back personal loans, collecting debts owed to you, paying insurance premiums or kafala or takaful, balancing your checkbook. Now, managing and dealing with procrastination. Take small steps, select a goal, start up, visualize your progress, optimize your chances, stick to a time limit. Don't wait until you feel like it. Just start it. Put yourself under pressure and start it. Like an examination, there is a time of 3 hours between 9 to 12, and we have to go there and we have to start it despite the fact whatever our condition is, we do it. Now, about attitude, learn to use little bits of time, expect interruption and disruptions, delegate your work, don't spread yourself too thin, identify your prime time, enjoy your free time. If you are living with a person who is a procrastinator, so these are the few things. Negotiate with him, ask him to do it. In some time, you have to be watchdog and see how he is progressing. And in certain occasion, you have to take him alone and explain him what the problem with him. If you can't do it, then you will have to do it yourself, or you have to say that I told you to do that, and try to maintain your individual perspective and be flexible about your strategy. There are certain specific techniques. Establish clear limits, deadlines, and consequences. Help the procrastinator set small interim goals. Help the procrastinator be concrete and realistic about what he or she needs to be. Reward progress made along the way. Tell the procrastinator directly if you get angry. Let procrastinator know that they are more to you than just their performance. This is the one way of explaining and guiding them. And the last is this dua. Allahumma inni auzu bika min al-hammi wal-huzni wal-ajzi wal-kasli wal-bukhli wal-jubni. Allahumma inni auzu bika min al-hammi wal-huzni wal-ajzi wal-kasli wal-jubni wal-bukhli wal-daladani wa ghalabat al-rijal. O Allah, I seek refuge with you from anxiety and sorrow, weakness and laziness, miserliness and cowardice, the burden of debts, and from being overpowered by men. Wama alayna illa al-balagh. We have finished, Alhamdulillah, within 1 hour, these 3 presentations.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much. At the end, we had to rush. to cover all the 3 topics. But as we only have 7 sessions remaining, and the presenter already have some topic assigned for those sessions, so it's better to cover it today, alhamdulillah.